maestro, Pandit Shankar Ghosh, Bikram has also learned the nuances of Carnatic percussion from Pandit S. Shekhar. He has over 50 recordings as solist, composer and collaborator. Bikram's performances have met with many accolades in international circuits, and he has played on a number of Grammy-nominated albums as well. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together once again for the ace musician, Bikram Ghosh. Our third judge on the panel is Srimati Ananya Chatterjee. Ananya is one of the Bengali cinema's most talented actresses, famous for her national award-winning role in Abahuman. She started her career as a TV actress and was also a dancer in Mamta Shankar's ballet troupe. Despite having no formal training in acting, her work is appreciated and she became a household name. In the year 2009, appearing opposite veteran Soumitra Chatterjee in Suman Ghosh's Dondo, she managed to hold her own. However, it was in Rituparna's Ghosh that released in 2010 that established her as an actress of repute, and she won the National Film Award for Best Actress. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for one of another respected judges, Ananya Chatterjee. Joining these three external judges, we also have Mr. K. Vaidyanath and Mr. Kurush Grant, both whom we wish to thank very much for having very graciously and readily agreed to be on the panel of our judges. So ladies and gentlemen, one more time, a big round of applause and a very warm welcome to all our wonderful respected judges. So what do you say? The masters are here, the stage is set. We've got a wonderful panel of judges and a great audience right here in Kolkata and for everyone watching around. Are you ready to witness the performances, ladies and gentlemen? Yes or no? Come on, Kolkata. They're right here. You're the lucky ones to witness them live here on stage. But just before I bring them on, just a little bit longer, let me share with you that each one of you sitting out here play a very important role as well in deciding who the winners could be right here at the grand finale. Now, this is what you got to do. Of course, we have a fantastic panel of judges who I believe have a very tedious task ahead of them, but each one of you sitting out here truly can make the difference as well. Now, all of you have your mobile phones. Yes or no? Are they all on silent mode? Fantastic. Get your mobiles out and get ready to vote as you did earlier on. Like I mentioned, each one of you truly make a difference. Your votes truly count in deciding who the winners could be. Now, this is the format you need to follow. If you believe a particular performance is gone, use your mobile phones to SMS in this format. Please make a note very carefully and clearly. The numbers will also be showed up on the screens for your easiness. The number and the format goes SMS C2F followed by a space GF, which stands for Grand Finale. So I repeat, C2F followed by a space GF followed by the number of the performance. You will send it to the mobile number as shown on the screens. Please make a note and I shall repeat, 96747 24223. I repeat, 96747 24223 in the format C2F followed by a space GF followed by the performance number. Now let's say, for example, you like performance number 26. This is how you do it. C2F, remember to put the space there, followed by a GF 26. Send it to the number 96747 24223. So please make sure you get the right number in store in the right format. Now, just to share with you, the voting lines are open and they will close as soon as the event does. So make sure you vote for your favorite performers so long as you think they truly deserve a place right here in the grand finale. The good news is you can cast as many votes as you like so long as you think they truly deserve a place. Very importantly, let me share with you, I don't know how many of you saw right outside, but you could also capture this claim to fame moment to take back with you. We have a section right outside where you can get yourselves clicked along with your family, colleagues, friends, or participants and yes, capture these precious moments. We have the Polaroid photo section right outside where you can get a picture click and walk back right away with the given picture. So make sure during the course of the evening, you walk back and you capture these very special and precious moments right here. So don't forget the Polaroid counter, which is right outside. So ladies and gentlemen, the rules are set, the stage is set. I'm sure our performers are waiting very, very anxiously with bated breath. If you are ready and you want to witness them at this grand moment right here, put your hands together one more time for our fantastic performers. As right after this, there is no looking back. The stage is set and the masters are here. Our first performance, ladies and gentlemen, performance number 1, is by a group called Advika from R&D Bengaluru. Our performers of this group are Nalini D. Sangli, Shilpa R. Hegde, Deepa Pillai, Vinuta S. and Veena K. Malia. The first performance, Advika, will present a contemporary dance performance choreographed to Vishnu Stuti. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome performer number 1, the group Advika from R&D Bengaluru. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you a contemporary dance performance choreographed to Vishnu Stuti.